What's up? I'm Zoe with Best Choice Products, and today we're going to be taking a look at our kids' outdoor table set. Let's check it out. All right, so let's open this bad boy up. I am going to be assembling our sage color today. Boo boo. Okay, and we open the box, and right on top we have our cute little checkered umbrella. Look at these cute checkers. I'm just gonna take everything out. We have a foldable chair, and then we have another foldable chair. They've got those adorable checkers. And then the table, which is what we need to put together. Let's do it. Oh, it's open at the other. I don't need scissors. All right, let's start unbagging all of them. So we have our cute little chairs. They already come nice and assembled. Got a nice, cute little umbrella. You've got the bottom part, and you can stick this into the ground. And then you lock it. This is gonna be bad luck. That's cool, huh? So, this is the first thing that we assembled. I'm gonna put her to the side. This thing is super easy to assemble and take apart, making it super easy for storage purposes. So let's just break open this table. Meow, meow. Meow. We have a handy dandy instruction manual, and then the tabletop with the hole for our umbrella, and our 2 leg bases. So let's take a look at what I've gotta do. Carefully unfold 2 Part F chairs. Ooh, so we can start by unfolding our chairs. They also have these nice little feet grips, so they're sturdy. Leg cramp, leg cramp. I'm gonna put one on each side of me. Does it look cool? So that's step 1, unfolding our chairs. And then we lift the locking latch. Ooh, whoa. So you can lift up the locking latch right here, and then when you fully extend it, you just push it over. And now it's not closing. They lock super easily. This part is important for your child's safety. So now I think we're gonna do the table. Yeah. So these are parts B and C. Let me figure out which part's B and which part's C. This part is B. Got it. Okay. For step 2, our table, we're going to take our part B and our part C, and we're going to go like this. Ooh, let's do that again. So this is our part C, this is our part B. I'm gonna leave my C facing this way, and I'm gonna take my B and face it straight. And then it will slide into place like this. And now you've got this cute little base stand. Now we've got this cute little base stand, and that's our step 2. We just need to attach it to the bottom of our table. So for step 3, I'm gonna take this table upside down. I'm gonna take our 2 pieces here and flip it. There are these ridges on the table that we're gonna snap them into. Okay, so we snapped them in. Now we have our cute little table and our 2 little chairs. For part 4 and 5, you'll be attaching the umbrella, but we did that in the beginning because it was super easy. And transition, and that's it. It's a super fun assembly. And now your little one has a perfect little play table. And then when playtime's over, you can tuck it away just as simple. You have to fold them up, fold up your umbrella, and just take the table apart, and you can store it anywhere. We hope this helped. Make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Check us out at Best Choice Products.